video, we're going to review how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide fractions. Remember, to add or subtract fractions, they have to have a common denominator. If it doesn't have a common denominator, an easy way of finding a common denominator is to multiply the denominators together, and you have a common denominator. So 15 times 4 is 60. Once you do it this way, you start at the end of the arrow, you multiply these two numbers together, and you set it down right there. 4 times 2 is 8 plus, and then you multiply these other numbers together, and you set that number down right there. 15 times 3 is 45. You've got your denominator of 60. 8 plus 45 is 53. Again, if you don't have a common denominator, easy way to find a common denominator is to multiply those two denominators together, and you will get a common denominator. Then you need to cross multiply. You've got to start with this number and multiply it to this one. And that gets set down first in the top of the fraction. 4 times 2 is 8, minus, multiply these together, and then set that number down right there. 15 times 3 is 45. Then you simply subtract these numbers in the top. 8 minus 45, negative 37. Multiplying fractions is really easy. You need to multiply the top numbers together, multiply the bottom numbers together. 15 times 4 is 60, and 2 times 3 is 6. Remember, all fractions have to be put in lowest terms. What's the biggest number that will go into 6 and 60? That will be 6. Divide the top and the bottom by 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. 60 divided by 6 is 10. When you divide, you have to change this one and flip this one. So the first one stays the same. You change this division into a multiplication symbol. You flip the second one, take the reciprocal, and now it's a multiplication problem where you have to multiply the top numbers together, multiply the bottom numbers together. 2 times 4 is 8. 15 times 3 is 45.